turn right, and that'll take you up and over Bear Creek, or Bear Pass and Antelope Pass. Turn left on the Copper Basin Loop Road. Technically, this is Copper Basin. There's the Copper Basin guardhouse. You can rent that off of recreation.gov for around $100 a night. These old relics are always fun to go search around in. It's really a neat old log cabin that the miners used. There's two trails that you can take to get up to Green Lake. One trail is on the left side of the stream, and the other one kind of straddles these two streams. So you could go to the right. It's not the official trail, but it's a lot shorter. Gets you up there quicker. Copper Basin is pretty much, it's a primo location. It's a dynamite destination, and probably get in trouble from people watching this that want to keep this a secret. But it's a cool place, a lot of lakes. I mean, there's dozens of really great mountain lakes around Copper Basin and lots of places to go camp for free. It's June 6th. But there's still going to be ice all over the lake. Here's part of the old mine and mining operation. There's one of the shafts over there. It's about halfway up. It's just easier to follow the stream up. You don't have to fight the mountain. So this is the entrance to the lake from the other trail, the more developed trail. It's longer is the only downside, but it'll take you right down to the lake. Here's one of the upper mines that they quarried way back when. You can see from the sheet metal on the ground that it used to go lower than this, but they've blasted it and filled the old hole. National Forest had a campaign to go through and do that a few years back. You can see the old steel rail for the mining carts that went down the hill. There probably was a wood frame here that's long since burned away. So just as a wrap up, Green Lake's a fun lake. It's a short hike. You do definitely need a high clearance vehicle to get to the trailhead, but it's well worth the trip, and you're pretty much guaranteed to have the whole lake to yourself. Lots of fish. We can see them, swimming around in there. It's just a great spot for families. Lots of rocks to climb on, beautiful little streams for kids to play in. It's a good spot. So hey, thanks for watching this, and I hope to see you on the trail soon.